Hey everyone, welcome to Funny Like Toys. Today, I'm super excited to bring the play-doh breakfast time set. And I'm gonna make 3 types of breakfast today. And want you to choose which one you think is the best. Let's take a close look at everything. Here's a breakfast waffle maker with some awesome molds on the handle. The egg and bacon set with mushroom, cheese, onion molds. And here's the toaster mold. The extruder comes with a couple of different shapes. A plate and some utensils. A rolling pin. For the Play-Doh cans, we get red, light brown, yellow, white, blue, green and brown, a pen, a knife, and 2 extra plates to the set. Let's start from the egg and bacon breakfast set. I'll use yellow in the middle as the egg yolk. And put some white Play-Doh on top of it. Here we go. Let's spread it up. I'll flip the once and it'll be ready to go. Time to make the bacon. I'll use some white Play-Doh. And red. Then fry it. Here it is. Here's a light brown for the mushroom. Yellow for a piece of cheese. White and purple for onion. Our bacon egg breakfast set is ready. Let's move on to the waffle breakfast set. I'll put a handful of light brown Play-Doh on the mold. Close it. And here it is. Let's add some fresh fruit to the waffle breakfast. and red and green for strawberry. I'd like some whipped cream on top of the waffle. Put in the white play-doh. Press the handle of the extruder. I always add chocolate topping with the cream. Looks yummy! Let's move on to the sandwich breakfast. And white play-doh. Press it. I'm going to roll up some light brown play-doh for the crust. Let's wrap it all around. Great! I'll use some green play-doh for a slice of lettuce. I'm going to fold it around randomly. Here it is. And some yellow play-doh for the cheese. I like my sandwich with some tomato. And fried egg. Alright, let's set it. This looks delicious. Well, this was lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hit the like button if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to see more. See you next time.